Hello, this is Superintendent Tom Cochran of Johnson County Schools. I hope everyone's had a safe and restful holiday. I'm certainly hoping that we're all having a great start back to school with JC Click and Sort instruction this week. During the last semester, our district decisions concerning the location of school services, whether it was JC Click and Sort remote learning or JC brick and mortar face-to-face instruction, were based solely on the Kentucky Department of Health's incidence data map as required by the Kentucky Department of Education. If you remember, in late October, I released a video and a location of services chart with a plan to utilize more localized data related to COVID-19. Recent changes with KDE's guidance now allows districts to attend school face-to-face, even if our county is in red on the incidence map. This opens the door for our use of local data. With our desire to look more closely at the impact of COVID, specifically within our community, our school district, and our schools, we developed a Johnson County School COVID-19 dashboard. This dashboard provides current daily data for Johnson County as a district and for each individual school. Today, I'm excited to share with you the dashboard and all of its components. To access the COVID-19 dashboard, simply go to the Johnson County Schools homepage, and then in the top right-hand corner, click the link COVID-19 dashboard. From there, you'll be directed to the Johnson County Schools COVID-19 dashboard homepage. You can see in the top center, there's information for each of our 7 schools, as well as our other district offices, including the Johnson County Board of Education, the Johnson County Maintenance Facility, Johnson County School Bus Garage, and our Johnson County Head Start offices. Let's take a brief look at what's included on the dashboard. As I stated, this is the home page for our entire district. You can see the total number of active cases for our entire Johnson County community. In the center, you can see the number of active cases of students and staff in Johnson County schools. And below that, the total number of quarantined Johnson County school students and staff. On the right-hand side, currently in orange, you see our DDIR, or our District Decision Index rating. Above that, you see a legend that correlates to our DDIR, as I said, District Decision Index rating, and our SDIR, our School Decision Index rating, which we will talk about a little bit later. On the left-hand side, you will see the location of services chart that I talked about earlier. A reminder that our location of services will be made weekly on Thursday evenings. There are several contributing factors in making our decision about location of services, including our DDIR, our SDIRs, the review of COVID-19 data and the impact on specific schools. We'll also look at any directives from state officials, including the governor's office, the Kentucky Department of Education, and/or the Kentucky Department of Health. A couple of reminders. It is possible for some schools to be JC Click and Sort, while others are JC brick and mortar face-to-face. Also, remember that emergency closures may happen at any time depending on an increased incidence of COVID positive cases or quarantines. On the bottom right-hand side, you also see the District Decision Index rating historical data. Now let's look briefly at one of our schools and the information contained within each one of those pages. These are set up very similar to the district homepage, with a total number of active cases for the school, that's students and staff, and the total number of quarantines. Here you can also see the school-specific information, the School Decision Index Rating, or SDIR. The SDIR number is comprised from a collection of a variety of data sources, including the total number of active cases in Johnson County, the total number of active staff cases, student cases at that school, and the total number of quarantined staff at that school, as well as the current KDPH incidence rate level. The SDIR numbers, as well as the DDIR number, will be information that we use to inform our decisions concerning school for the following week. While all the information compiled within this dashboard is vital for our entire community and understanding the impact of COVID, it's imperative that we have accurate information of positive cases and quarantines. Having said that, we have also developed a form that allows you to report to our school health coordinator if a child in your household has tested positive or is under quarantine. The form is attached to this post, and it can also be found in the top right-hand corner of the Johnson County Schools webpage, right beside of the COVID-19 dashboard link. I know this is a whole lot of information contained within the COVID dashboard, but we feel it's extremely helpful in informing our decisions on the location of school services, whether it's JC Click and Soar or brick and mortar. But it will also be helpful for each of you to understand the number of positive cases and quarantines impacting your child's school. As I said earlier, weekly decisions on the location of school services will be made on Thursday evenings using all the data contained within the dashboard. Understand that it will be possible, as I stated, for some classrooms or individual schools to be completely JC Click and Soar remote for the week, while others attend face-to-face. Also understand that each week could very well be different. We know and understand the difficulty that COVID has caused, but rest assured, we're working just as hard as we possibly can to provide every child the best education in an environment that is safe for everyone. I do ask that you remain supportive and flexible as we continue to navigate our way through this global pandemic. Thank you and have a great week.